Standing here with Jesse from Indevolt, and we're going to talk about Indevolt as a brand, and we're going to talk about the products they are selling at this moment in the Netherlands, and they are showing here at Solar Solutions Amsterdam. Hi Jesse.
Hi, Short.
What can you tell me about the Indevolt brand?
Yeah, so Indevolt brand actually coming from the combination of independency and voltage. Voltage, basically means about power, about energy. Independent, we want to introduce independency of the power and together power solutions to end consumer. And so to come to the comfort knowledge of Indevolt.
Okay. Well, you start selling last year of October, maybe September, in the Netherlands?
Yes, actually we started with the 2C business in Germany, and we decided to expand the business to Netherlands.
To the Netherlands. So is the Netherlands an important market as well for you?
Definitely.
Definitely.
Netherlands actually demonstrated its own character of the renewable energy. And Netherlands actually, from my point of view, it has very deep penetration for the PV installed base. That means many families, they have already installed the inverters together with the PV systems. And we think that would be a very excellent combination of the power storage system as complementary to the solar installed base. And then along with the introduction of the existing classic solutions, we put also the so-called eco mode, or it's called AC solution in the market.
The eco mode is actually, or the eco model is actually built for the Netherlands, right? Because we already have the solar panels on the roof, and it works together with those solar panels. So can you show us the products?
Yes, please follow me. So basically this is a SolidFlex 2000 hybrid. Actually it basically means that the 2000 kilowatts, 2000 watts. And the terms of hybrid, basically it combines the DC and the AC together, hybrid. And this one is kind of what I mentioned, especially for the Netherlands, for installed based market segment. For this segment, we assume there are already many families. They have already the micro inverters installed with the PV somewhere at house.
And it works together with the P1 meter. So with the P1 meter, it knows when to charge, when to uncharge, right?
Definitely. That's the P1 meters as a kind of intelligence which put it on top of as an overlay of the storage system.
And it works with the solar P1 meter, but also with the home visit P1 meter, right?
That's right. We have a strong interoperability and ecosystem, and this one can work above of the storage system, and it works as a systematic HEMS, home energy management system. And this product is called the /AC, where the AC stands for the variant of the product which can directly access to the existing micro inverter, which helps already the family who has invested of their PV systems with very significant cost saving for them.
You can also put solar panels directly on this one, right? It's a hybrid.
Yes, for the hybrid ones, we can directly put the solar.
Also the eco.
Yes,
already talked
that
about.
means that this kind of combination can already support multiple scenarios. Yeah.
This one also looks new.
This one is different to only one difference, or two differences if you see the numbering. The key difference between the PF, the PowerFlex, and the SolidFlex is the battery material. Battery cells materials. And for this, we use a semi-solid material, and the other one use the conventional, the lithium cell.
And what's the difference in cycles and life durance?
Yes, and the SolidFlex apparently use the SolidFlex cell material, and it can last slightly longer than the PowerFlex one. And as from the basically the price point of view, PowerFlex probably would be more, let's say, economical, or could be easily bared by the end consumer.
Also a new product.
Yes.
Will you also introduce this in the Netherlands?
Exactly. And this one is, let's say, would be ideal for the family which have three phases, more kind of three phases or more intensive power consumption case. And especially in case that they don't want to give too much load for installers or for electrician, and they can use this one as kind of like in-box or combiners.
But also the SolidFlex 2000 works also in a parallel system, right? You can have multiple SolidFlex next to each other in different sockets.
Exactly. And
You don't need this for a parallel system, right?
this one is one on top solution which can simplify the whole installation.
For the three-phase
But
installation.
but in fact, without this intelligent combiner box, and those one can also work systematically through our giving software. We can create a certain individual phases in aggregation into an overall running solution. Yeah.
Well, you want to tell anything else about these products?
Yes, and another interesting thing is that we can also put already kind of flexible communication module on top, because in the end, we believe that for such cyber physical system, we call it cyber physical systems, the physics in terms of storage, but actually it's empowered by a cyber system. The cyber subsystem can help the overall solution become more intelligently. And you imagine that there will be special high-end electricians or the installers. They need a special access for this device, and we can allow them to have a direct local access through the RS485 interfaces. Or in some areas, they are lost of 4G or 5G communication.
So is it also Modbus?
Yes. Yes, in
Modbus.
RS485, yeah, Modbus. Yeah, actually, we can use different elements inside of this communication module, which can replaceable for all different kind of communication scenarios can support such device connect with our backbone system, so that we can make sure that the storage system is accessible anywhere with the backend platform.
And if people don't want to use the Indevolt app, do they have a lot of freedom to control the battery by, for example, Homey or Home Assistant, local API?
Yes, actually, we have put significant resources and our efforts into such interoperability tests, interoperability efforts. And we believe currently, of course, with the native Indevolt apps, you can manage the whole system well. But we believe in the soon future, I mean, the customer they can somehow use their existing preferred software packages to interwork with our storage. And of course, maybe with some limitation of the characteristic or features, but we believe, I think this can run.
And so what's the maximum capacity a system can be?
Yeah.
So with parallel systems,
Yes.
modulaire,
Yeah.
expansion, what is the maximum capacity
Yeah.
the whole system can be?
Yeah. So normally, actually, the system will need a master and with number of extensional batteries,
Yes.
and one phase maximum 22 kilowatt hour, and then you have three phases at home, and then theoretically you can reach 66 kilowatt hour.
66 kilowatt hour.
Yeah. So therefore, I think would be extremely big monster actually you use for your energy dark system at home.
It's future ready if you ever need an upgrade, and those batteries will be available in the upcoming years.
Yes, actually, exactly. So we actually call the overall system under the design principle of the Lego stone.
Now you got me.
Yeah,
Lego,
and then you can make a scalable, like extensible. You can start from 1 point something kilowatt hour, extend it along as you grow up to 66 kilowatt hour of the whole system.
So, what are Indevolt's ambition for the upcoming years in the Netherlands? What kind of market position you want to?
Yes, we want to be a trusted partner
Trust
of the consumer market. We want to be the trusted partner of the electrician and the installers. We want to work openly with the innovative energy resellers, energy companies, utility companies. We want to contribute using the strong home energy management system to work towards the virtualized power plant system in the market. And along with that, I believe our positioning will be very, very well, especially with support of such excellent partners here in the Netherlands, as well as our sellers.
Well, thank you very much.
Thank you as
for your
well,
time.
George. Thank you very much. Okay.